Botswana remains one of the preferred mining and mineral investment destinations in Africa. Opportunities are abundant in the mining sector as Botswana is mineral rich. Though diamonds are the country's greatest revenue earner, Botswana also has large untapped reserves of coal, copper, nickel, granite, and various occurrences of precious stones in various parts of the country, estimated to be above 213 million tons. To date, Botswana has produced more than 728 million carats in rough diamonds since operations began in 1971. The potential still exists, however, to expand diamond beneficiation to other parts of the country. A major opportunity exists in the surveying and establishment of projects in coal bed methane extraction as well as in renewable energy sources like solar. The beneficiation of both these industries represents one of the most promising areas of opportunity in the country to become an energy hub for the region. The attractiveness of Botswana's mining industry is demonstrated by the presence of high-profile international operators that have invested in Botswana, taking advantage of the conducive mining investment climate in the country. Botswana's mining industry offers many opportunities for investment in the mining sector, such as prospecting, surveying, and establishment of new mining projects, expansion of existing mining projects, beneficiation of minerals, and improved value chain benefits. With good mineral deposits, good governance, infrastructure, and an educated workforce, Botswana offers the perfect destination for companies that wish to invest in the mining sector. Further your investment with us. Come invest in Botswana. Botswana, our pride, your destination.